In this video, we are going to see a quick example of how you can use the find and replace function effectively. And this is just a basics. We will see it in much detail. But let's say that I have made a couple of cells blank just because these students were absent. But let's say that I am facing a confusion that whether this cell is accidentally removed or they were genuinely absent. So for that, I want to replace all of these blank cells with A. How can I do it? It's very simple. Just select the range and just press Ctrl F. And here we just go to the replace function. Now what you want to find here? We want to find blank. So I'll just keep it blank. And I want to replace all of this with A. So click on replace all and it's done. By default, the formatting of the alphabets in Excel is left aligned while the numbers are right aligned. So if you want to align that again, just select the data and align it however you want. And that's how you can use the basic function of find and replace. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.